Hi, welcome to part 11 of the video series about vertical projectile motion. In the previous video, we have learned how to draw velocity versus time graph of an object thrown upwards. In this video, we are going to learn how to draw the velocity versus time graph of an object released or thrown downwards from a certain height. Once more, we start the explanation by emphasizing the importance of labeling each axis and writing the units, as well as stating that the answers can differ depending on the direction we choose as the positive one. The initial velocity of an object which is released from a certain height is equal to 0. While moving down, its velocity increases and reaches its maximum value just before it hits the ground. As we learned in the previous video, during the free fall, the formula of the velocity and time is a linear function. If we consider upwards as the positive direction, while moving downwards, the velocity of the object increases in a negative direction. In contrast, if we choose downwards as the positive direction, during fall, the velocity of the object increases in the positive direction. In a vertical projectile motion, the slope of the velocity versus time graph is always equal to the gravitational acceleration. Therefore, if instead of being released, an object is thrown downwards with an initial velocity, the shape of the graph will remain the same. The only difference is that now, instead of starting from the origin, the graph will start from a certain initial velocity minus vi or positive vi, depending on which direction is considered as the positive one. In this video, we have learned how to draw velocity versus time graph of an object released or thrown downwards from a certain height. But we didn't consider the cases where the object is bouncing off the surface. In the next video, we are going to learn how to draw velocity versus time graphs of an object bouncing off the surface. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications in order to be updated about the new videos.